Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a scientist or an engineer? It's a fascinating realm that requires an undying thirst for knowledge and a constant push to explore the unknown, the unseen, and the unheard. It's not just a profession, but a way of life that shapes how you view the world and everything within it. It's about the ability to question, to scrutinize, and to think outside the box. When you're a scientist, the world is your laboratory. The universe is your playground. Every day is a journey of discovery, a chance to delve into the deepest corners of reality, to uncover the very fabric of existence. Science is about pursuing the unknown, about never settling for what is known, but always pushing for what could be. The universe is vast, incomprehensible, teeming with mysteries waiting to be solved. And as a scientist, you have the opportunity to be at the forefront of that exploration. From the tiniest atoms to the grandest galaxies, from the complexity of life itself to the simplicity of fundamental forces, science encompasses it all. There are physicists who delve into the fundamental nature of matter and energy, biologists who explore the intricacies of life, chemists who unravel the reactions that shape our world, and many more. Each one a specialist, a dedicated explorer of their respective field, united by a common pursuit of understanding. And what about engineers? They bridge the gap between scientific discovery and practical application. They harness the principles uncovered by scientists and use them to solve real-world problems. It's a discipline that requires creativity, critical thinking, and a knack for designing and building. Engineers are the architects of our future, the builders of our world. From civil engineers shaping our cities to software engineers designing our digital reality, engineers have a hand in nearly every aspect of modern life. Engineering is about problem solving. It's about finding innovative solutions to the challenges we face. It involves designing structures that can withstand natural disasters, creating technology that can improve our lives, building transportation systems that connect us, and so much more. The work they do affects us in countless ways, many of which we may not even realize. Indeed, to be a scientist or an engineer is to be a pioneer, a discoverer, a creator. It's a path of endless curiosity, learning, and profound impact. To give you a deeper insight into these fields and their significance, we're fortunate to have professionals from these disciplines right here with us today. We are joined by Dr. Jane Doe, a renowned scientist. Welcome, Dr. Doe. It's great to have you here. Today, we're keen to understand your journey and your inspiration. Since childhood, I've been intrigued by the world. I spent countless hours observing nature, which fueled my curiosity and eventually led me to science. Fascinating. Your work has influenced society significantly. Could you highlight what you do and its implications? I study climate change and its effects. I aim to understand how our actions affect the environment and explore remedies. This understanding helps us shape our behaviors and policies for the better. Crucial work indeed. However, we understand scientific research has its hurdles. Would you mind sharing some challenges you encounter? Certainly, funding is a significant challenge. Research requires resources which are not always available. Also, conveying scientific findings to the public in simpler terms can be tough. It's a challenging task to make complex science understandable without compromising its accuracy. Precisely. But the rewards are worth it, contributing to societal improvement, inspiring budding scientists, and expanding human knowledge. It's an unmatched experience. How inspiring, Dr. Doe. Your dedication to understanding our world and commitment to improve it are indeed commendable. Thank you for joining us today and for all your contributions to science. Next, we have Mr. John Smith, a seasoned engineer. Glad to have you, Mr. Smith. Today we dive into your engineering experiences. As a seasoned veteran, you've been part of many projects. Could you tell us about your most memorable one? Interesting. Such creativity and technical know-how needed for such an ambitious task is exceptional. Clearly, your profession isn't just about blueprints, but about creating a better world. Engineering journeys often have hurdles. Could you provide some insight into the challenges you faced during your career? Fascinating. It's clear that these challenges propelled you forward rather than deterred you, turning them into opportunities for growth. Your engineering work greatly contributes to shaping our world. From creating bridges that link communities to designing eco-friendly systems, your role is undeniably crucial. Engineers like you turn the theoretical into physical realities, transforming the impossible into possible. Advice for those aspiring to join the engineering field? Excellent advice. Aspiring engineers need to note that being an engineer isn't solely about technical expertise, but also about adaptability and resilience. Thank you for your time, Mr. Smith. Your dedication to engineering is commendable. Your journey is an inspiration and highlights the importance of engineering in our lives. Now, it's crucial to understand that science and engineering aren't two separate worlds. They exist in a symbiotic relationship, each one reinforcing the other. Essentially, they are two facets of the same entity. Science is the pursuit of knowledge about the natural world, involving questions, hypotheses, and experiments to reveal universal laws. Conversely, engineering uses scientific knowledge to address real-world problems through design, construction, and enhancement of structures, systems, and processes. The intersection of the two is where engineering often births new scientific discoveries. Engineers can encounter unexplained phenomena when dealing with complex issues, potentially triggering new scientific studies. Likewise, science propels engineering. Advances in physics, chemistry, and biology can lead to inventive engineering solutions, like the formation of lasers and semiconductors through our understanding of quantum mechanics. Both science and engineering depend on fundamental skills, such as critical problem-solving and creativity. They require a solid understanding of mathematics and physical sciences. They also need persistence in the face of failure, learning from errors, and continuous striving for betterment. In essence, science and engineering are interlaced, existing in a perpetual feedback loop, each driving the other forward. They're vital parts of our mission to comprehend and influence the world around us. Even if you are more attracted to the exploratory aspect of science or the pragmatic aspect of engineering, remember that these fields are interconnected and contribute to our collective knowledge and progress. As we can see, the boundaries between science and engineering are indeed quite blurred. So, what lies ahead for these intriguing fields? As we venture into the future of science and engineering, we find riveting prospects. We're on the verge of a new era where science and engineering merge to form a unified narrative. Picture a world where renewable energy is the standard, replacing our dependence on fossil fuels. Solar, wind, and water power our civilization, thanks to the relentless efforts of global scientists and engineers. This isn't a far-off reality, but an impending future. Healthcare is also bracing for a revolution. Think nanorobots delivering medicine directly to ailing cells or 3D printed organs and tissues. The fusion of science and engineering is poised to redefine the limits of possibility. Artificial intelligence is another domain making significant advancements. From autonomous vehicles to smart personal assistants, AI has the potential to reshape our lives in unprecedented ways. And of course, there's space exploration. The final frontier, as some dub it, is becoming more accessible. With improvements in rocket technology and spacesuits, complemented by our growing understanding of the universe, we're closer to becoming a multiplanetary species. Yet this future isn't without hurdles. Climate change, ethical dilemmas surrounding AI, and fair resource distribution are imperative issues. Scientists and engineers will crucially shape the solutions to these pressing concerns. The future of science and engineering isn't merely about new technologies or revolutionary discoveries, but about leveraging these advancements to forge a more sustainable world. It's about comprehending our cosmic position and using this knowledge to enhance humanity. The future indeed looks bright and promising for science and engineering. You might be wondering, how does this all relate me? The realm of science and engineering is a trove of countless opportunities. It's an arena for the inquisitive, where asking why and how leads to one's purpose. Imagine participating in pivotal discoveries, aiding tech advancements to reshape lives. Envision yourself crafting eco-friendly answers to global challenges or deciphering cosmic riddles. That's the essence of science and engineering. But not all about monumental breakthroughs. Even minor contributions can drive substantial shifts. Each question you pose, each issue you address augments humanity's shared knowledge. Don't shy away from delving in. Traverse these domains, satisfy your knowledge craving, and you might encounter your own moment of revelation. Who knows? You could be the next big thing in science or engineering.